In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a carousel in Framer. First, head over to Framer and open the project or page where you want your carousel to appear. Once your page is open, there's a quick built-in way to add one. Press the I key on your keyboard to open the Insert menu, then type Carousel into the search. When it appears, drag and drop the carousel onto your canvas. From there, you can begin editing it to match your layout and design. This is the fastest option if you just want to get a carousel onto the page and start customizing right away. If you want another option, especially if you're looking for a more styled starting point, go ahead and click on Canvas. You can also use a template for this. Next, click Help, then choose Browse Marketplace. This will take you to Framer's Marketplace, where you can find community-made resources and components. In the Marketplace search bar, type Carousel and press Enter. To narrow down the results, click on Pricing and then select Free. That makes it easier to find a carousel component you can use without extra cost. Once you see a carousel you like, click on it to open the component page. Then select Copy Component. After that, return to your Framer project. Right-click anywhere on your canvas and choose Paste. This will place the copied carousel into your project so you can work with it directly. Finally, edit the free template carousel to fit your needs. You can adjust the content, layout, and overall styling so it blends naturally with the rest of your page. Whether you use Framer's built-in carousel or a free marketplace template, both methods give you a solid starting point. If you want speed, use the Insert menu. If you want more design inspiration, use the Marketplace template.